Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Carefully crafted to revolutionize the idea of a home on wheels, the potential 2026 American luxury semi-truck motorhome is the pinnacle of luxurious mobile living. Built on a sturdy commercial frame, this is not just a big recreational vehicle. It is a custom-built home that travels the continent, a tribute to unmatched elegance and utility. Although massive in size, the exterior would be a masterpiece of refined beauty. This motorhome would have unique coachwork, maybe including seamless panoramic windows, several large slide-outs, and possibly even an integrated, deployable rooftop deck. It would be very different from the practical look of a typical semi-truck. An intimidating yet refined presence would be enhanced by high-gloss finishes, expertly designed chrome embellishments, and possibly even subdued ambient lighting. Even on lengthy trips and uneven terrain, the sturdy chassis, usually from manufacturers known for their dependability, like as Kenworth or Freightliner, would be equipped with cutting-edge air suspension systems, guaranteeing an incredibly steady and smooth ride. The interior of this American luxury semi-truck motorhome, however, is a world of unadulterated grandeur and contains the actual soul of the vehicle. As soon as one stepped inside, they would be engrossed in a setting that was exquisitely detailed and made from the best materials. An ambience of sophisticated elegance would be produced by hand-stitched leathers, polished natural stone countertops, custom cabinets, and hardwood floors that have been hand-milled. The large, well-thought-out floor plan would have separate areas for sleeping, eating, living, and personal hygiene. The living space would have a fireplace, a giant, hidden flat-screen TV with a top-notch sound system, and possibly enormous, electrically reclining sofas, giving it the appearance of a high-end domestic lounge. With professional-grade stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and plenty of cupboard space, the kitchen would be a gourmet's paradise. Intimate dinners or entertaining guests could be facilitated by a distinct eating space, possibly using a retractable table. With a king-sized bed and a high-end mattress, plenty of storage in specially designed wardrobes, and a personal entertainment system, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. With a dual vanity sink, a full-size tiled shower, and perhaps even a bidet, the en-suite bathroom would compete with those in five-star hotels. It would be equally nice to have extra sleeping quarters or guest rooms. This motorhome would incorporate a variety of state-of-the-art technologies in addition to the basic living areas. Using voice commands or touchscreens, a complete smart home system would regulate the lights, temperature, entertainment, and security. Regardless of location, seamless access to the internet and television would be guaranteed by sophisticated satellite communication systems. Enormous fresh and wastewater tanks, extensive water filtration, and a strong off-grid power system, which includes enormous solar arrays and high-capacity lithium-ion battery banks, would offer unmatched self-sufficiency for prolonged stays in isolated areas. The 2026 American luxury semi-truck motorhome makes a statement rather than merely a car. It offers true luxury on the open road and is made for the most discriminating people who expect the utmost comfort, technology, and independence when traveling.